is up? What is up? Good morning. Heading to a car show and then doing a little bit of driving footage. The car show starts at 9. We're gonna be late, but that's okay. This thing is just a freaking snack.
If you start acting weird around them, that's when you attack. And mine right now it is on E85, but
how are you finding E85 around here?
Oh, I go to Troutman. I go to guys that have shops that get rid of those 55-gallon drums, and I fill them up.
And how much are they about? Like for a 55-gallon drum? Like,
oh, you can get them for free.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they get rid of them. They get oil in them, and they can't get rid of them, so they give them to you. Some guys are trying to sell them for like $10 a piece.
Okay.
Most of the time, they're like, can I get do you have any oil drums left over? And you just swash a little bit of E in there and throw it out, or you can do some gasoline.
Got it.
Throw it out, and then I use those. I just go to Troutman with my work truck. It's $2 a gallon, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad. All right, I want to hear it start up first. Uber? Uber for John? Boost Uber? Oh, we got the double reaction. The inception reaction. All right. How much boost are we putting down right now?
25 pounds, so probably around 7-ish horsepower. But we're still not even close to the end.
This thing sounds nuts. I feel like we need to do it. I wish I brought my real camera. I really think I was gonna go for the ride. Oh my god, bro!
We didn't get traction. We're warming them up right now.
Dude, the trans feels really good.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like super tight.
Yeah.
Everything is like rock solid in this car.
Yeah.
New mounts and everything. God damn, I'm jealous.
Yeah, surprisingly, this IS feels very, very sturdy.
Yeah, it's still on, right?
Yeah, the front screen turns off at some point.
Yeah, you can just tell by shifting, man.
so far?
Yeah, this is the one I got just a lot of time in.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's a lot more personal than the BMW because it went from bolt-ons to full build.
Yeah.
And
well, you ripped this thing completely apart.
Yeah,
and started over.
It's crazy how much like.
Once you put that sweat equity into it, man,
it's
it just
hard
changes your relationship with the car.
Yeah, it's gonna be harder to get rid of this one compared to the last one, but you know, that's how it goes.
Yep, I feel that. I feel that.
R888, so you stick to everything.
Is that what you have in the car?
Yeah.
R888s?
Just rip it.
That shit is violent.
Yeah, and we're slipping. I feel her just slip. R888s is really not good for traction for this.
Yeah, and you gotta warm them up like real good.
Yeah.
Dude, she pulls hard like a freight train. Holy fuck.
We got rolling anti-lag on the steering wheel.
Dude, I can't wait for you to take this thing to the track.
Yeah, me too.
Like get some solid times on it. Fuck yeah! This thing is so fucking mental. Holy shit. It's so good.
You wanna ride? You wanna drive it?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. This thing's sick, dude.
Yeah, I think you're gonna enjoy the mechanicalness of the car.
Yeah, yeah.
On top of like, even though it's so like solid.
Yeah, no, definitely. There's like, I can feel when I make changes to my E36, just things like tightening up, you know, like with new bushings and mounts and everything. And this thing, the fact that you like rebuilt it all and did it the right way, and everything is like new and sturdy, you can just tell when you drive it, everything feels like solid, you know?
And it's like not, we're fixing up the wiring for the AC, so AC will be soon. And then, dude, this is just the beginning. Like, it's gonna go through all, like you said, bushings and
we need you to make more content on this car, dude.
I will. I slacked. I had like really busy year with work. So
yeah, I feel you.
A lot of content to come for sure.
Yeah, this shit is bad, bro. This shit is bad.
For what it is, I love it.
It's so sick.
So the clutch is a little heavy, but you'll get used to it real quick.
Oh wow, holy shit. Compared to the E36. Wow, this is way different. Holy fuck. It's gonna take me a minute.
When you get used to it, she gets a little less scary.
Dude, it feels amazing though.
Yeah, the clutch is really tight. Did she do that?
Yeah, it's like,
oh, is she not going?
No.
Let me see. Maybe it could be. I don't think it's just. Does she just feel like underpowered right now? We'll check it out. The computer, if it feels something off, it'll cut it.
Yeah, I think that's what it did.
Switch to fourth. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. Could be something come off loose.
Yeah, it like I didn't even get to red line. It just
kill power.
Yeah, just kill.
Yeah, we'll take it back and see what she's doing.
We don't have to worry about
That'll do her.
Was on drag strips was this year. Your best bet was probably him.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about 1,000
Still
horsepower.
fucking sweet though.
That's the least of my worries. I thought it was gonna be something a little bit.
No, yeah, that's nothing. Dude, this thing is so crazy. I got one good pull in it, and then the pipe popped off, but holy shit, this thing is terrifying.
All he does is guys for
He told him, he said, well, I'll tell you what, I'll put opening tool. Hey man, be careful, don't stretch it like that. I don't want to break
Hey,
it.
that's how we want to.
What's up with all these Lexuses needing tools and stuff?
Oh
Don't worry, Mr. Coyote, he'll be there soon. Don't worry. Better buy you a Husky toolkit for your car.
Oh shit! He dropped the
I mean,
Husky
hey, I don't
brand.
need any tools here, okay?
Well, I'm just glad I got one pull out of it. That shit is crazy. Driving this car compared to that is300 is it's so different. The clutch in that is300 is super heavy. It's crazy. It's so much easier to drive this car. I guess if you get used to it though, it's probably pretty simple. Oh, I'm honestly just happy I can even drive this car, man. For so long it was undrivable. This thing is just so smooth now. Man, I don't know. I feel like this car is already ready for the track. I know that I'm not like beating on it, but I think if I just get camber plates and some track pads, I might just send it until we do all of the like seals and main gaskets and all that stuff. Because that's going to be a little bit of an overhaul. But there is a track day coming up that I could jump on, a good like introductory track day, and I think it would be good for me just to learn. I might do it. I might just go for it. It's seat time. Wrap this little video up. A little bit different than usual. Just using a little GoPro. Grabbing some driving footage this morning. I honestly didn't even plan on making a video, but I'm gonna make it easy on myself and just bring the car out, bring a GoPro, have some fun. Dude, the ceramic on this thing is unbelievable. It looks so good. Legitimately looks like paint. It's crazy. She's looking good, you guys. Also, what do you think about the amber taillights? I found some OEM ones. I really like these. The amber and the Laguna just works really well with this car. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.